Miller, the 19 car, going to work the outside lane. He gets around the 98 of Rocky Hornback for the second spot. Hornback not done yet. He's fighting back on that inside lane. Steve Brandenberry, Rob Dutra, Mike Pippin, and the 21 of Shape halfway. 4 down, 4 laps remain. Coming to the white flag, 1 lap to go. Russ Miller, that 19, caught up with the 69 of Rodney Crush. Crush on the inside, Russ Miller on the outside. They're coming to the checkered flag. Crush is loose off the fourth corner at the line. Unofficially, the 69 of Rodney Crush.